How to refer a friend on Uber. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. In this video, I'll show you how to refer a friend on Uber and explain how referral program works. So for that, first of all, let's go ahead and open the Uber application. Once you open the application, go ahead and tap on the account section at the bottom right corner. And once you're here, if you're eligible, you'll see an option that says refer a friend right there. But what if you don't see it? So here is the important part. Uber referral program is a limited time offer. It's not always available to every user. To check if you are eligible, you can go ahead and open your email inbox. Uber will send you an email invitation if you qualify to refer friends. If you got the email, it will include your unique referral code and then share this code with your friend. And just like that, when they try to sign up for Uber and enter your code, both of you can get a reward once they have completed their first ride. If you didn't get an email or don't see referral option in the app, it means the program isn't currently available for your account. So short answer, check your app or email, and if you have got the option, you're good to go. That's it guys, thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.